Ah, I should have known you would be here, Professor Andrea Dearmeyer.
Good day, Professor Nicholas Gauss, Professor Lori Hugg.
Are the rumors true? Are there really 5 brand new designs debuting on the website today?
Yes, Hagrid is finishing them now.
Do you think it's wise to trust Hagrid with something this important?
I would trust Hagrid with my life.
Muggles! We must hurry!
Yes, hurry! You must join us. After a quick trip to the studio, we're headed to Universal Studios.
The whole Kit and Caboodle's magical adventure today is taking them to Universal Studios, beginning with this 2-page 12 by 12 kit design. No trip to Universal would be complete without a sip of butterbeer and without this kit for your photos. All 5 of our new designs today will debut on our website following this video premiere. Be sure to add this Universal Designs kit to your cart. Don't forget free shipping on all orders for Inner Circle Kit Club members. And watch until the end to see what may magically appear for free in your order.
Here we are, platform 9 3/4, direct stop to the best scrapbooking studio in town. Who's first?
Go ahead.
You first!
Attention, please. We are excited to see which house will be chosen for these 3 creative wizards. When I call your name, you will come forth, and you shall place the sorting hat on your head. First up, Lori Hugg.
Okay, relax.
A new one here, right? Let me see. The whole kit and caboodle. Next, Nicholas Gauss. Ha, another crafty fella. The whole kit and caboodle. And last we need, Andrea Dear Meyer. Difficult, very difficult. Plenty of creativity here, I see. Not a bad mind either. There's amazing talent there, oh yes. The whole kit and caboodle for you as well.
I'm so excited that we're all in the same house.
That means we'll all get to go on a magical adventure today to Universal Studios.
Are we ready? The scrappers are waiting.
How are we gonna get there?
Why, with our magical port key, of course.
First stop, Diagon Alley in the wizarding world of Harry Potter.
If you're a huge Harry Potter fan and looking for a phenomenal design to showcase your photos, Nick has you covered.
ASIO, Harry Potter design.
Let's try that again. After all, the Muggles need to see it together. Ripero!
We can all be wizards together with this magical 2-page, 12 by 12 page kit. Like all of our kits, this package contains the papers, embellishments, and pre-cut die cuts to create both scrapbook pages. We've included an entire sheet of cardstock stickers with images of potions, owls, magical wands, witches' hats, neckties, scarves, and more. There are plenty of extras to create additional pages. You can purchase this Let's Be Wizards design on our website beginning today.
You're a little scary sometimes, you know that, Nick? Brilliant, but scary.
This castle wouldn't be the same without Nick guiding us.
And it wouldn't be the same without you. Be sure to let us know you're here on our magical adventure today. Are you a Universal fan? Who's visited the park the most times? If you've watched our videos before, you'll know your comments could earn you some special gifts.
That's bloody brilliant, Nick.
Enough talk. Let's head to the Island of Adventure. This wizard is ready for a marvelous experience with our favorite superheroes.
Brace yourself. I'm going to drink the Polyjuice Potion and surprise my fiance.
I think Nick is trying to turn himself into Spider-Man.
And sometimes he knows how to turn me into the Incredible Hulk.
Calling all Avengers fans, you need this 2-page 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit. Captain America, Spider-Man, Iron Man, and the Hulk can't wait to share the pages with your Marvel photos. As Iron Man says, heroes aren't born, they're built. And you're going to love building these sophisticated pages. Fierce Marvel Superheroes is now available on our website.
Where did Nick and Lori go? I bet they went back to Hogwarts. Guess I better go find them. Just because you're allowed to use magic doesn't mean you need to whip out your wands for everything. Expelliarmus. Well, that's better. Let's go to our next design. Reducto. Well, that's not what I wanted. Engorgio.
Our second Harry Potter theme design for today will transport you right to Hogwarts. The wand may choose the wizard, but you need to choose this design. Our Harry Potter pages always disappear quickly, so purchase your Expelliarmus kit today.
Did you hear that Rita Skeeter from the Daily Prophet is featuring our travels today?
Naturally, all of London knows that Andred's designs are the most amazing spreads.
Well, we all do want to know about the final design for today.
Here it is. Justin, check it out. One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. What a great day at Seuss Landing and Universal. It's a fun time for kids of all ages. Check out our final destination in today's travels.
Fun is always good, and what could be more fun than creating these 2 Dr. Seuss pages for your wubulous photos? This whimsical design can be used for your Dr. Seuss day at school, your favorite Seussville books and collectibles, or take off the word day and add land for your Universal Studio memories. Be sure to purchase your Dr. Seuss kit today.
Our trip to Universal is finally coming to an end. Time to board the train.
But first, while you were at Universal, I whipped up a magical potion for our visitors today. All orders over $100 through Monday, June 14th, will automatically receive a My Collars collection pack valued at $18. No code needed, the free prize will magically appear in your order.
One last look at today's 5 brand new designs. Hagrid is overseeing the office to ensure the quick production of these designs. Note that all 5 designs are currently in production and may take up to 3 weeks to ship.
Time to go shopping before these brilliant designs disappear.
Thank you for visiting us at Hogwarts today. If you enjoy our videos, be sure to join our Crop-tacular Virtual Scrapbooking Events Facebook page. You just never know what we'll come up with next.
And for all muggles, witches, and wizards, we also have some great virtual classes coming your way in July. After you're done shopping, be sure to click over to our Crop-tacular Facebook group to learn more. And as Albus Dumbledore would say, we're only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided. Be kind to one another. Let's keep our industry thriving. And as always, happy scrapping.